Okay, so we're looking at analytics now. Just read this very quickly, and I'll explain it to you very quickly so you don't have to read it. And basically what it says is, it's saying that Radar does all the monitoring, but if there's gaps in the data, it's just saying, and it gives a few examples here, that some of the social media platforms only give data for certain lengths of time. It says, for example, you can see 3 months of data on LinkedIn and 6 months on Facebook. And you can see a reach report on Instagram for 3 months, but you can only see the active hours up to 1 month. So it's just basically explaining that if there are gaps in the data, it's not the fault of Radar. It's just some of the limitations in the social media, or it's the data that they release. And this is basically a board you set up. So I've set up one called All Social, and this will be my board where I basically monitor my follows, my views, and my activity across all of my social media. So I've already set one up for my Facebook, and that's how many visits I've had. And I've not had many. That's why I'm going to monitor it. My Facebook page, not very active on it at the moment. I've only had 76 total videos, but you can set up all sorts of different statistics. These are monitoring the sources, where I'm getting people from, Google mainly. And I want to add another thing, just to let you know, some of these aren't available yet, like LinkedIn. You can't monitor stuff yet, and if you look, I'll just show you where. It'll show you on your accounts. If you go back to your accounts, hang on, you can see what. So the analytics at the moment is available for Instagram, for Facebook, and for Twitter. And the other channels aren't supporting the features now, but they may be supporting the features later. So I'm going to set up another one, and I'm going to monitor my Twitter, and let's monitor my competitors. That'll probably take a bit of time to what's the word, propagate. Let's have another one. Yeah, no record yet. I'm going to monitor another of my publishing, so how many posts on my timeline, and I can add that. And again, okay, so I'm going to add another one. I'm going to add Instagram, and my Instagram is not very busy at all, but I'm going to put my posts, and my posts have only had, again, Instagram, I'm not busy on it, 230 views at the moment, and most of them were when I asked my friends to join. I'm being very honest here. But you can see that you can build up a board with all of the monitoring. So you might want to just do a new board that's just your Facebook. So you can just Facebook. And you can have one board on here with all of your Facebook monitoring. You could have another board which is all of your likes across all of your brands. So really handy again, and you can jump in and you can see how you're doing on each network, and do things to improve it by posting. So that is the boards, and that is the analytics. And again, yeah, other software does all this, but the beauty about Radar is it is all tied in on one system.